Autel IM508 XP400 Pro, read VAG MQB V850 D70F3426 with APB131 adapter. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The new Autel APB131 adapter can do a lot of things. Here we will show how to read VAG MQB V850/RH850 cluster with Autel IM508 or IM608 XP400 Pro and APA131 cable. This dashboard we have is out of 2014 VW Golf 7 Malawian Quatches. We're going to start off with the expert selection in the Volkswagen. If you are interested in how to control Autel tools with a monitor, check here. Select MQB Instrument Cluster V850 locked via DUP. This function should be used in combination with an XP400 Pro programmer and APB131 adapter. Strictly follow the wiring diagram for wiring operations, as chip data reading involves certain risks. Select processor D70F3426. Select read flash data via programmer. Check wiring diagram. There are 3 different dashboards. Zoom in a bit. We have 8 wires to connect. No components to remove. No pin lifting. We can also read the same dashboard with VAD Key Tool Plus and RH850 cable. You actually have to remove 4 of these tiny little capacitors. Check Source MQB RH850 instruction. With Autel, you do not need to remove any. Some other dashboards do require remove capacitors. Check this comparison table. All these connections are very easy to do. 1. Connect the XP400 Pro to the APB131 adapter and the module with reference to the method shown in the feature. 2. Connect the XP400 Pro to the 12V DC power adapter and check if the indicator lamp of the XP400 Pro is green. Made a connection and got all the wires soldered on. Got the XP400 Pro plugged in. We got the power, just make sure that all these extra little wires that we don't need to connect, not touching the circuit board. Reading flash data. It's going to take between 5 and 30 minutes. It is pretty quick. Then save flash data. Then we also have to read this Eeprom 95,128 data. The Eeprom belongs on the circuit board, just above the MCU which we are reading the flash out. Remove these in order to get a good read from them. We need to connect APB129 adapter to read the Eeprom. It does not take long, and with a bit of practice, it's not hard. Save Eeprom data. Then select Calculate Immo data. Need to upload both flash and Eeprom data to decode Immo data. Decode Immo data successfully. Then save the decoded data. You will get CS code, power class key IDs. You can see the 2 key IDs that are stored. You can perform make dealer key and learn key. If you are doing all keys lost, you would still need to purchase the sync data. Click on make dealer key. Autel IM508/IM608 will ask, do you have an original key? Obviously, if you click yes, it's going to say put the original key into the programmer and press OK. And then if you haven't got an original key, then you'll click no, and it will just simply ask you for the sync data. You can manually enter the synchronization data. Then you will be able to create your dealer key and then hit up your key learning section. The Autel APB131 cable is pretty impressive and does not have to remove any components, a lot safer. Very quick to connect up read and calculate the Immo data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.